it's me Tanshi. Welcome back to Gossip Girl. Today, who's ready to learn some science? And fun fact, literal fact, I'm in grade 4 and have some 6 new chapters. My first chapter is air, water and weather. First, we're going to learn about the topic air, the thing we breathe and is essential for living. So, in air, our first key concept is the atmosphere. So, let me put this in a way so you all can understand. So, we live on planet Earth, right? So, around Earth, there is a thick layer of air which is called the atmosphere. So, now let me bring you to the point why the atmosphere is in the key concept of air. See, the atmosphere is literally just a thick blanket surrounding the earth. So then again, it is also air. So then again, it is essential to learn about this. So here is a diagram of the atmosphere. It is contained of several layers. The first layer of the atmosphere is called the troposphere. The first layer above Earth. It is where I live and where you live, where birds fly, clouds are formed and aeroplanes fly. The second layer is called the stratosphere. So, in the stratosphere, there is the presence of the ozone layer. Let me tell you what is the importance of the ozone layer. The ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays. It's short form UV rays. If it touches our skin, we can get contagious skin cancer, which is very fatal and dangerous. So now let's move on to the metasphere. It's so cold in the metasphere that asteroids freeze. So instead of coming back to Earth, it drifts all the way back into space because there's no gravity. Like, there is gravity, but a very less amount. And so, if asteroids hit the Earth, it can destroy it, damage it, and has many other cases where it might destroy the Earth. So now let's move on to the thermosphere. It is where we keep satellites. But now I have one question for you. See, the satellites produce internet, right? So technically, if we go to space, most people say that we can't go above of the satellites. So technically, here is my question. Will we get internet in space? I don't know. If you know the answer, please share down in the comments. So, now moving on to the exosphere. It is the topmost layer of the atmosphere and it makes sure that everything is in place all the time. So, these are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. So, I hope you learned something. Bye, Gossip Girls.